we guide you through how to export Stripe transactions. So the first thing you need to do is to sign into your Stripe dashboard and click Payments if you want to export payment records or go to specific section containing the data you need. Next, use filters to choose the date range, payment status, or other detail you want included in the export. Once your filters are set, click the Export button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Choose your preferred file format, such as CSV, and confirm the export. For larger reports, Stripe may generate file in the background and send you an email when it's ready to download. After the export is complete, save the file to your computer and open it with spreadsheet software like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets to review, sort, or analyze your transaction data. If you need reports regularly, repeat the same process whenever you need updates record.